Hello everyone, this is Pandya, and I'm right now going to explain an application known as video call application, which is built using Django Channels, and WebRTC. Alright, let's begin our session. So this application works on peer-to-peer connection basis. Okay, there will be one peer with three attributes: username, local description, and remote description. Okay, and it will be contained in one channel. Okay, and there will be another peer, it will be contained in another channel. All right, now these both channels will be in one group. All right, so there will be one group, and in that there is two channels, channel 1, channel 2, and in channel 2 there will be have peer 1 and peer 2. Now for setting up the video calling application, and to apply this peer-to-peer connection, we have to share SDPs. Now what is SDPs? SDPs are session description. Alright, now what is session description? So for example, if you are calling to someone, you know their phone number. Alright, and then you click on the phone number and you call them, right? So that is that person's remote description for you. Alright, and your phone number is your local description. It is as simple as that, right? But to call each other, you should be knowing the phone numbers, right? So your phone number is your local description and his phone number is your remote description. So first you have to share that phone numbers. Just we have to set this similar analogy in this peer-to-peer connection as well, that both the peers should be knowing each other's SDPs, or we can say local and remote description. So for this application we are using this technology called WebRTC. All right, uh, WebRTC is used for real-time communication. Okay, real-time communication means it is using the protocol UDP. So, right, and why we use this technology, because we don't need some mediator servers for establishing our video calling application. See, peer-to-peer connection is not reliable. See, it is effective for one or two users, but for big applications you need some different architectures like STFU. Okay, then we have Django channels. Django channels, it is used for applying the signaling mechanism. It is used for applying the signaling mechanism. And what is that signaling mechanism? You see, WebRTC does not gives the idea of how to share the SDPs. Okay, and if you have to share the SDPs or remote and local description of the peers, then you have to have the connection called Django channels. Okay, so now it is the slide explaining Django channels. So this is one group, and channel 1, channel 2, channel 3. The peer 2 will arrive to peer 1. Okay, with action of new peer. Okay, so basically what happens, peer 1 is existing in that group. Okay, and there is some new peer that has appeared. Okay, now that peer 2 will broadcast the action called new peer in the whole group, right? And then peer 1 will be realizing that, yeah, there exists some another new peer with which I have to make connection. Now in order to make connection, peer 1 will offer, you know offer means peer 1 will send its local description to peer 2, and the action will be new offer, right? Now that new offer means that offer will be local description for peer 1, and that offer will be set as remote description for peer 2. Okay, now in In response to that offer, peer 2 will send answer. Now that answer will be peer 1's remote description and peer 2's local description, right? For example, I am sending my phone number to someone else, है then the other person will set my phone number as its remote description. Okay, now that peer 2 will send me his phone number and I will set his phone number as the remote description. As simple as that. And when uh, my description and his description, it has been shared, the connection has been set up, and now it is the work of WebRTC to exchange the information. Thank you.